Hello friends, Scoubidous Google Doodle is celebrating Scoubidous. Scoubidous is a French thread knotting craft which originated in the 1950s and enjoyed a global revival in the 2000s. On this day in 2015, people in La-Chapelle-Saint-Ursin, France set the Guinness World Record for the longest Scoubidou. Google is celebrating Scoubidous with doodle and short story. Let's know more about Scoubidous. Scoubidou is material used in knotting crafts. It originated in France, where it became a fad in the late 1950s and has remained popular. It is named after the 1958 song of the same name by the French singer Sacha Distel. This doodle celebrates Scoubidous, vibrant, colorful threads that can be knotted together to create intricate crafts and designs. Using generationally taught lanyard weaving methods, families supplied their children with thin rope straps to create colorful patterns and knots. Scoubidou maintained its popularity but saw a notable revival in the United Kingdom during the mid-2000s. While the most iconic threads are flat and colorful, others are round and hollow. Today, people use this knotting craft to make everything from keychains to friendship bands. Some countries have helped popularize Scoubidou parties, where kids come together to experiment with new threads designs. You can find various DIY video on how to make Scoubidous animals, lanyard, Scoubidou keychains, Scoubidou bands. Thanks for watching this video on Scoubidous.